guess what came in? You guys saw on my Instagram, I wrapped the headers for the Ferrari. I wrapped the headers with the I guess it's the lava heat wrap or whatever. That was not fun. It's really itchy, but just got the TopSpeed test pipes just came in. Oh, nice. Nice. These are gonna replace this factory garbage. So can't wait to hear what these sound like. Let's see. Hey guys, what's going on? So I just finished putting the test pipes and the headers that I wrapped like last week. I finally got the test pipes in the other day, and I got a chance to put them on. I'm pretty excited about it, honestly. I'm filthy dirty. I've been laying on my back. We've been doing some body work and stuff on this thing, so ridiculous. It's so loud. I can't believe it has a stock muffler on it still. So I'm going to keep an eye on it, and I can't let it get too warm. I got the front radiators disconnected right now because I'm working on the front, but I might have to rev it just like once it warms up a little bit. I can't rev it all the way, but I can't wait to hear this. I'm gonna be smiling for the rest of the week. Anyway, that's TopSpeed headers with the lava wrap, header wrap, which it was a pain in the butt to wrap it, but it'll keep the heat down in the engine compartment. And then it's got the TopSpeed test pipes, and I cannot wait to hear that on the road. But in there, it's probably at least twice as loud as stock. And supposedly it gives really good horsepower gains to get rid of the cat and the factory manifold. All right guys, well I'm gonna go get washed up, and I'll do a video again probably tomorrow or pretty soon once I get it all back together and I can actually warm it up and rev it out for you. But it sounds so good. It's loud, and I can't wait to hear it revving. Oh, and by the way, I changed the belt on it, even though it's only 3,000 miles on the car. This is the Gates number. It's K060586. I'll put it in the comment section below. But basically, if you need a new belt for your 430, you can buy the one from Ferrari, or you can buy this one from Gates online for like 20 bucks. And it's probably just as good, if not better. So anyway, you guys have a good weekend.